Okay, today I'm going to show you how I would make instant noodles or instant ramen, whatever you want to call it. I got this at 99 Ranch Market or Ranch 99 Market, whatever you want to call it. It's a Asian market which sells, well, mostly Asian food. Now, first step I would do is fill the pot with some water. About that much. So I had 4 cups, so about 2.5 cups. And then open up the bag of noodles. Take the brick of noodles out, pop it in the water. I always remember to dump any extra crumbs in there. Still good. You know, the spices and stuff. I will not add the spicy bit. I don't exactly like spicy food. Now, add this. And then, add this as well. It looks like oil. And I think it is. Throw it all in the trash. And then turn on the fire. So right now it is 5:53 p.m. as I record this. I am going to let it cook for about, let's say until 6. So I'd give it 7 or 8 minutes. So we'll check back in 7 or 8 minutes. Time to set a timer. Alright, it's been about 8 minutes. So, there it is. I have used a fork to stir around the noodles so that it will cook evenly. And it does look good. It's always how I make it. So, now that it is done, you turn off the fire, obviously. And then, get yourself a bowl. Any kind that you like. Trying to find one. Where do we put the bowls? Okay, this is is it clean? Yes. Okay, here. For example, this is a bowl. Gonna pan the camera over there. And leave your fork in the bowl, like that. Now the handles of that pot are hot, so I'm gonna get some kitchen gloves, so I don't burn myself. And if you are, well, a small child trying to cook these, I think parental supervision is advised. All right, got that. And now, your instant noodles are ready. It's not really that instant. It took 8 minutes, but this is how I make it so that it tastes good. So I guess thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.